question. From Rav, is a woman allowed to whistle in the presence of Jewish men? Jewish man is this?
It's not modest. It's not modest because why? People usually turn when somebody whistle, especially men. They like as Rabbi Rubinstein always say they like they saw what is it like uh, sprinkler right? It goes back and forth like the automatic one. So whereas attention, so of course like. Sometimes with a corner of my eye, I see like when the door opens, like some. I mean, I'm not sure why would I do that. I'm not sure, but it happened to me in the past several weeks, like twice. Like I usually like that one next to the wall, and I don't see anything because everything behind me, a lot of behind me, right? Maybe like 8 feet behind me, the closest guy, and to the left I have talus, so I don't see things. But this time maybe it was a Kaddish. Somebody was saying Kaddish, so I turned. Somebody was saying Kaddish, elderly person, a little lower. So I wanted to make sure that I hear better. So I turned to him, and I saw that like some people came late, and the door opens, and everybody turns to that side. Like I saw with my corner of my eye. So another person opens or left. Everybody have to see what's going on. You understand? So this whistling is exactly the same. Everybody is going to turn to her. Not allowed.
Thank you, Rabbi.
Well, yeah, you're welcome.